welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I am going to go through this fault code here. So the top one where it says P2209 knock sensor, heater, feedback foam and bank 1 sensor 1. So on here obviously you're going to get the engine management light as well. That's standard, you will get it. Really that's to be found. So to be found here, I mean I haven't got a ramp or anything, but I'm going to try and make life easy for you. So there is a sensor there, and it's literally that sensor there that's causing it. There is another sensor as well, but that's your bank one as far as I know, and it's to be found at the front of the car in that section. So all you need to do is change it. It depends. I mean, knock sensors aren't cheap, to be fair. You can have them mapped out, but I don't know, it's up to you guys. Or you can just replace it, which will be about, I don't know, in terms of replacement, maybe 200, maybe more, maybe less. You've got to understand, but oxygen sensors and knock sensors aren't cheap at all. But that's what you'll be looking at.